Hey guys, ever wanted to buy a whole chicken at the store and just come home and butcher him up? Well, I am going to show you how. Stay with me. We'll be right back and we're going to get started right now. Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you how to butcher a whole chicken. I'm not going to go into a lot of details. I'm just going to do it. I just want to make sure that you realize it really doesn't take long. You can even time it if you want. Shouldn't take me but a couple of minutes. First thing you need to do though is make sure you have a good sharp knife. Okay? So we're just going to get started. I'm going to walk through this without saying anything. First I'm just going to cut off the wings here. And when I finish butchering this chicken, I'm going to have probably, I don't know, 17 or 18 pieces. And that's going to be a lot compared to what you get at the fast food restaurant when you go in there. So we're just going to butcher him up real fast. Keep up with me now. And next time maybe I'll go over it a little slower, or you can just play it back and see exactly what I'm doing. But you just cut the wings off first. Then you cut the legs off, separate the thighs from the legs, and when we get done here, we will actually count it out so we can see how many pieces that we actually have. It's not that hard if you have a real good sharp knife. Just gotta get in between there and cut it up real good. The back part is probably the hardest part to cut for the simple fact it has most of the bones. And when you're done, you're going to need to do some cleaning. This is the breast part. We're going to cut it up and we're going to see just how many pieces we have. We're just about done here. And the breast is big, so it gets to be cut into more pieces. And let's see here, we are almost done. This breast split here. And I'm going to fillet one more half of it out. Okay, and guess what guys? We're done. Now we're just going to count it right back out to see how many we have. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have a bucket of chicken. Now all we have to do is get it cleaned up and fried up. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of this video. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. We'll be cooking it up later, so you want to catch that video as well. Thank you for watching.